explain solving rational equations, a word problem by Santiago, Avella, Nicolas, Lucio, and Werner, Zitzmann. So, the word problem is, Pablo invested 35,000 pesos in home bank, and after 2 months, he got 50,000 pesos. His girlfriend recommended him Citibank that has a similar system of 2 months with 2% more than the other interest. How much money will he have gotten if he had invested in Citibank at the beginning? We need to use this formula. So we start explaining the different methods that are proposed for solving the formula. There are included FOIL, rational equations, and solving equations. So, FOIL. When you have a formula a to the power of 2, b x, and c, when a is equal to 1, you can do FOIL. So first you find all factors of 1, in this example, then multiply, give the number, this 2. Add or subtract the numbers, 1 times 1, so it gives 1. And add it, in this case, because it's plus first addition and then addition plus addition is addition, so it will be addition. And so 1 times 1, 1, and 1 plus 1, 2. So you separate in different parentheses and simplify if possible. In rational equations, first you find the least common denominator, then you multiply the least common denominator by each fraction to cancel out terms that are similar. Then cancel the terms that have the same numerator and denominator. And also, when you cancel these, you can solve equations, or you can do FOIL or ACT depending on the process. ACT is another formula. It is similar to FOIL, but is when a here isn't equal to 1. So solving equations, you identify like terms, then you pass each term to the other side, changing to its opposite sign, and you solve it and simplify it to find x, to isolate x. So the formula is B F, I'll put it here, yes. This is the formula. So taking into account the money that they gave us in the word problem, we're going to replace values. When we replace values, we divide by the least common denominator. It's 35,000. So it cancels values. We cancel, and we're left with a simple operation. This simplified, the 50,000 divided 35,000 is 10 over 7. Then we reorganize the values on a side to give us FOIL, the FOIL answer, and we do square root to cancel the second power. So here's the answer of the square root. Then this one, so to cancel these two, we do square root. So this one, for collecting like terms, we pass it to the other side, putting it as negative. So it will be 1 minus 1, or 1.19, etc., minus 1. So it will be 0.19 and the x. So the interest of the home bank is 0.19522869% for 2 months. So Pablo earned this interest for leaving his money for 2 months. Then we replace all the values, but with the correct interest. So this is the equation of the bank replaced with the interest and values. So we multiply and use the exponent. Then we multiply, then we add, and it will give us the final amount of money that Pablo will get if he leaves 35,000 pesos for 2 months in the Citibank will be 51,687.32003 pesos.